Hey guys, I thought I'd make a demo to help you see how to use my Spanish English template slides uh, to create a lesson in Desmos. So here we go. Here's the template you've got, right? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit student preview and everybody can get that. Then I'm going to go up here and hit the copy this screen. There we go, done. All right, close that back down. Now I'm going to go back to my custom slide. Here we go, new activity. So my new activity I'm going to call Mars Charity Fair. If you don't know about the Mars site, it has all kinds of great activities to stimulate higher cognitive demand. I'll call it task. How about that? Let's go for this. And so I'm going to click on create new activity. Now I've already copied those slides, my Spanish English template. So here we go. All I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control V, and I pasted that template slide in there. I'm going to do it a couple more times just so I'm on the safe side and I don't have to go back to anything else. You can always delete them, nice and easy to do. Let's go back to the first one. So here's the slide that I came up with, right? Or the task I came up with. Let's see. Here we go. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm just going to select this text. And it's letting me do that. Very cool. I'm going to hit Control C, and I come back over here to the viewer, and I'm going to go right here, and no, right here where it says text, right? And I'm going to hit computational error. Now see up here where it says paste English text here. Here we go. I'm just going to select this, being very careful of the quotation marks. This is the most difficult part, ladies and gentlemen, is the part where the quotation marks are. You got to make sure that your stuff is in between the quotation marks. It starts the beginning, ends the beginning. Okay, so now I've got the English stuff in, so I'm going to hit plus, and I'm going to go translate English. No, I want Spanish to English. Now, this might not be the best translator in the world. I am not one to judge. Oh no, I want English to Spanish. What am I talking about? Duh. English to Spanish. Here we go. Let's try this again. So I'm just going to paste that in that I've already copied for the English. Hey, there's my Spanish translation. Let's hope it's a pretty good job. I'm just going to go down here and hit the copy page. Copy. Translation copied, it says. Now back to this. Now where it says paste Spanish text here. I'm going to just paste that right in there. Control V. Done. Right? So now I'm going to hit done. So let's check out how it works. So here we go. Here's the preview. Hit up preview. And so first thing a student has to do is either pick English. Hey, there we go. Look at that. There's the English version. Now we could have put more breaks in there if we wanted. And there's the Espanol version. Ah, nice. Now, really, you could get fancier and put breaks in. And with things like this, sometimes I'll paste it into Word and format it there and then copy and paste it in just so I get the formatting how I like. But hey, let's go for this as it is. It would work like this. Sometimes formatting gets a bit finicky, but Desmos is really good with this. So now the kids have a question, right? Calculate the probability that you will win $5. How might they do it? Well, they might use algebra. So they click on that, and it opens up this nice little box so they can do algebra. Maybe they want to use a table. Oh, click on that, and it opens up a table for them to enter. Maybe they're keen on a graph. Hey, there's a graph. 2 equations you can put in here if you want. Easy enough. Or maybe they want to sketch. They can do the math via sketch, right? If they really dig it that way. And if they have a touchscreen, right? Either way. So this is looking pretty good. Now see how it's all stacking up here on the side? And you can just turn things off. and on. And the kids can turn things off and on. So they have more than one way to do it. Now, something like this, right? Because there's multiple questions with the same database. So here's what I'm going to do in this. I'm going to copy this, and then let me close this down. Now, because this is already yellow, it's selected, I'm going to hit plus, and it's going to add a blank screen right next to the one I selected. And I'm going to hit Control V. So I just copied the same screen, right? And now I'm going to go back to where it says text, and I'm going to hit that. Now let's go back to this part, and now I'm going to enter question 2. So, do you think Lucky Dip will raise money for local charities? Control C. I'm going to copy that now that I've selected it. Go back to this, and I'm going to replace 1. Just going to select 1. Once again, I'm keeping cognizant of that crazy not parentheses, quotation marks. Sorry, I'm blanking. And this time I'm going to add a space in there because I like it a little bit with that space. And I could really, let's see if I can fix up some of this formatting. I'm going to do it this way. Watch this. Right, just like you pick up any formatting. Sometimes copying and pasting from PDFs is a bit yucky. So there we go. I think the formatting should work pretty good here. There we go. And I'll make a space after this just so you can see where everything is. Now let's get this second question. Copy and paste. So you just click select, then Control V, it pastes the new stuff in. And there's the new stuff and the copy. So I'm going to copy this, go back to my activity builder. And where's my question 1? Let's put this in. Control V. And let me see if I can fix up this formatting as well. Just by making, I'm just clicking at the end of sentences and hitting delete, and that's or backspace. And now I'm gonna, at the very end, I'm gonna go like, ooh, wait, one more. I noticed that's all by itself, so it wouldn't look good. And I'm gonna have put a space in there by just hitting the return key. Hey, let's see if this looks any better. And if we fixed it up a little bit. Let's see, here's the English version. Oh yes, now that's looking nice. Once again, look at that. They can use whatever method they want. Oh, but wait, there's the Spanish version. Check that out. Nice, you guys. Hey, I hope this helps everybody. Just a quick little tutorial. I can work on other ones if you need it, but I think that gets you on the path to getting started.